Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign into your Freshdesk account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Freshdesk, which we did create in the previous tutorial. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now go all the way down to the dock and go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to Freshdesk. Click on this. Go to freshworks.com. And here we should be able to click on go to account. And this will take you directly into the account after we type in the credentials. Email address, password, remember me on this computer, that's fine. Click on log in. And now we should type in the credentials again, sign in. And this now takes us into the account. And then we can set up the next steps of this journey of how to use the support ticketing system, Freshdesk. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.